Hi everyone, I'm Benjamin Toh from M2D Decor. Come join me in this home tour as I'll be showcasing to you one of our recently completed 5-room HDB located in Punggol. As we first step foot into this apartment, one of the first things we will probably notice is this entry foyer we have created over here. So in order to make this whole entry foyer flow seamlessly into the living and dining area, what we did here was we incorporated curved flooring and curved cabinetry that flows seamlessly into the living and dining space. Moving into the dining area, we collectively combine the living and dining space into one huge communal space where my client can host, dine, and entertain at the same time. So in order to make the whole space as coherent as possible, what we did was we created storages that flows all the way from the entry foyer into the dining space. And the storages for this dining space were found in this little dry pantry we incorporated for our client. So we even go to the extent of creating a flush and concealed door into the kitchen to make the whole space as coherent and seamless as possible. Moving on to the kitchen, what we did here was really simple and practical at the same time. We actually created a lot of functional storages in this kitchen. In order to enhance the aesthetic a little, what we did also was to actually create an apartment that flows all around the kitchen cabinet itself. For this common bathroom, we kept it really simple and neat. The whole idea of renovating the whole toilet is to make the whole place as easy to maintain and practical as possible. What we did was we actually concealed all the existing waste pipe. We have everything suspended and tucked against the wall as much as possible so we don't have a lot of hidden edges to maintain and clean. Moving into this master bedroom, what we did here was really simple, but with a little space planning, we actually created a more conducive and better experience. We actually reconfigured the entire workspace and the sleeping area. By doing so, we actually achieved more storage space, and most importantly, we created a more conducive sleeping environment at the same time. For the master bathroom itself, we kept it really simple, functional and practical at the same time. But what we did here differently was we incorporated a little built-in and customized toilet roll holder into this whole vanity counter. The whole ambience and color was kept really simple with lighter shades of color and lighter shades of beige with a little bit of subway tiles to accentuate the whole look and feel of this bathroom. Thank you for joining us in this home tour. I hope to see you in our next video and see you soon.